Hello, this is Korea Software Service. I'm Leon, a Microsoft MT. Welcome to the sixth part of our Microsoft 365 Copilot series. Today we are going to talk about information synthesis. This key feature will completely change how you use Microsoft Word. You probably face this kind of situation a lot at work. On one side of your screen, you have last year's report. On the other, a market trend PDF, and maybe a partner's proposal in your email. There is so much information, but your job is to answer one question. So, what should our team do next? Until now, we've spent so much energy jumping between windows, copying text, and editing sentence. This is where the word synthesis becomes important. A simple merge just sticks a document together. It's like lining up Lego blocks in a row. But information synthesis is different. It's like taking different ingredients to cook a brand new dishes. Copilot doesn't just read the files you pick; it understands the main point and the context. In technical terms, Microsoft called this multi-source grounding. It takes key info from scattered file, emails, and notes, and put them back together from a new perspective that you ask for. For example, it can blend product A's strengths with market B's needs to create a completely new marketing strategy document. If you look at the screen, you can see messy data on the left side turning into a clean report on the right as it passes through Copilot. This isn't just automation, it's intelligent restructuring that makes your work much easier. You might wonder, how does Copilot understand and connect all my documents? The secret lies in Microsoft Graph and semantic links. When you type the slash symbol uh, in Word to find a file, Copilot doesn't just look for keywords. It analyzes the meaning inside the file. We call this semantic indexing. For example, if document A says sales are down and document B says material costs are up, Copilot connects the dots between them. It draws invisible lines between different pieces of information. The most important tool here is your prompt. You can give Copilot a special filter. If you say find only the risk factors in these three files, Copilot filters out everything else and gives you exactly what you need. This is why you can get different results from the same data depending on your goal. You might also worry, what if the AI just makes things up? To prevent this, Microsoft uses a citation system. Every sentence or paragraph created will have a small number next to it. If you click the number, it shows you exactly which page and paragraph that info came from. In other words, Copilot doesn't hallucinate. It works only within the data you provide. This is called grounding. As you can see in the example below, you can check the factor anytime using a footnote. So you can relax and just focus on reviewing the draft. The technology is complex, but the benefit is clear. It gives you speed you can trust. Now let's look at three scenarios to see how this powerful tool works in real life. First is creating integrated report. Do you spend all Monday morning putting together a weekly report from different teams? Now just to show the files to Copilot and type, summarize this week's key achievements and realize for the whole companies. Copilot will remove overlapping info and write a clean, integrated report for you. Second is strategic planning. Try grouping competitor report with your company's internal report. Ask, what are our strengths compared to competitors, and what are three market opportunities we should target this quarter? Putting these pieces together would take a human day, but Copilot finishes it in seconds. Third is a risk prevention, which is very important. Uh, Look back at the project report from the last 3 years. If you ask our least common reason for past delays and their solutions, Copilot turns old data into smart advice for your current project. Please look at the before and after table on the screen. Before, it took over 2 hours to gather, read, and summarize data, and now it only takes 5 minutes to pick the files and check the result. It's not just about saving time. Your role changes from a data seeker to a decision maker. Okay, that's it for the theory. Now let's jump into the demo and see how this amazing information synthesis actually works in Word. Okay, let's start the practice together. There is three different documents in there. I have Maker, and then now I will make a new document to make a report. I use three files, and I open the Copilot, and here is the most important magic command, the slash. When you type the slash, a list of files pop up. Um, let's fix our three files one by one. This is how you give Copilot up to three files as a reference. Now it's time to give Copilot a clear command. And I'll copy and paste. Instead of just merging them, I'll ask it to find common risk and write the strategy report. Okay, let's hit the generate button. It's making the report in real time. It's taking ideas from different files and creating one new conclusion. This is power of information synthesis, which is more than just a summary. And there is a reference, and click this, and it shows you exactly where the information came from. It's very reliable. So, in just 1 minute, the report is ready. Now try it yourself. Today we learned all about information synthesis. For more information on Microsoft certified courses, please contact Korea Software Service. Thank you.